Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
There with my glasses.
Please don't die. We have some updates for you guys.
Yep.
It looks like we are gonna have to live in Vermont in the wilderness. Make a tent. Oh, time to post on Instagram. Okay. We just finished posting on Instagram. Okay. So yeah, so we have to live in the wilderness. We're gonna have to make a tent. We're gonna have to make new lives here.
Yeah.
So
that's what would have happened if we didn't have a ride.
yeah.
But
So basically, no cars are available to rent.
this was a disaster.
Yeah.
Woke up at 8 to call these places in nearby, near Cavendish, in Vermont. That's where we are. In New Hampshire, which is like a 30-minute ride. New Hampshire is a 30-minute ride from here. Or Lebanon, which is like a 45-minute ride from here. Everything is taken.
Yeah, Enterprise. We tried Enterprise. We tried. There's no budget around. We tried.
Everything's gone. There is absolutely no rental car service, and taxi service.
We're 6 people, so that's like another issue.
For
So
6
we don't
people
fit
plus
in a
luggage, we
regular
don't
car.
fit in 5-seaters.
So it's gonna have to be 2 cars.
So her brother's coming.
Yeah. So Brandon from like a few videos back.
4 hours, huh?
He's gonna come here. He's gonna come today, so he can enjoy some of this beautifulness. And then tomorrow we leave at 11 a.m. And yeah, head home. Figure out what
In terms of the car,
car. Yeah.
the mechanic told us that it was a converter. He told me some other thing. It was a converter. Started with a CAV, but I forget. I forgot it. Basically, he took it out because he said that the rest of the test came back fine. He took out the piece of the car, and it was clogged. So it has to do something with like the exhaust or something. Basically, the car was like suffocating, and so yeah, it shut off. It was basically like choking.
So he needs to like change that piece.
So he's fixing that, and so it'd be done in an hour.
But the thing is, it's in Connecticut. It's like 3 hours away.
So the idea tomorrow will be, we will go back home, all 6 of us, and 2 of us will stay with the car, and we'll just
call like
follow
AAA
them.
or something like that, right?
Yeah, I think we'll follow them. The 2 people that stay with the real car, with our car, will follow her brother. If it breaks down again, we're just gonna leave it.
Yeah. So if you guys want to send some donations for them to get a new car, so we don't get stranded again. So yeah, so that's our update. Now we're just gonna try and relax and enjoy the last day in Vermont.
Yep. See ya. What a beauty. ¿Vienen por acá?
No. Allá están allá como que pegados, allá no está.
Hi, baby.
Ella como pasó para allá, por allí.
Well guys, we've made it past, yeah, insane rock territory.
His mom is on a mission to go to that trunk over there. Look at my baby, isn't he so cute? So like JP said, we don't know if this is illegal, but who cares?
Okay.
This is so pretty.
That is a lie! This has to be a joke!
No.
He really got mine now.
That's crazy.
Oh,
Babe, you're a loser. Brandon, show him how it's done.
I've been
can't do
getting
anything right now.
the first game he hit the 8 ball in when it wasn't even
tested me.
time for it.
I did say them.
And now this time I've been getting the scrape. I was so close. I'm solid. Okay, so time to complete it.
Do you ever do stuff?
Who are you, solids?
Yep.
Don't turn around. Don't turn around.
I'm giving him a chance.
Oof. It's okay, baby.
God, it always happens to me! This is how we win games, guys.
He completely misses.
Well, you called it.
I just
Babe,
swallowed a bugger, right?
You disappoint. No, can we just? He was choking really badly.
I swallowed a bug, I think.
And I was gonna give him some of my rum, and he just he's like, coffee. Did you have gluten? It was a life or death situation, and he really cared if I had gluten at that moment. Anger issues with satin sex. Wait for it.
No. Well, I had got hit in there somehow.
Wait, okay, let me fix this.
Fix my life too.
Oh, he lost again!
Why did you record that? Did we got that on camera? All I know is that I'm gonna still get -50. Me too. I'm surprised you don't wear a ring.
Ooh.
I lost my
Okay, relax.
And then there's me.
It was a camera.
I'm trying to get the lights. I don't care.
No, you're gonna get -50.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Make at least one. Brandon!
Oh! Uy, se salvó.